Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Culture and society, core vocabulary. Every society's culture and heritage reflect its tradition, custom, ritual, often established by indigenous peoples. But with globalization, modernization, and urbanization, there is cultural diffusion and risk of cultural erosion. That's why cultural preservation, cultural heritage conservation, cultural identity, and cultural empowerment are vital today.
Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Culture and society, collocations and integration. Globalization brings multicultural awareness and diversity. Ethnic and demographic groups must integrate into society, balancing cultural assimilation and cultural integration. People attend cultural festivals and cultural exchange programs to glean deeper insight into other ways of life, helping build an egalitarian society, not just a utopian society dream.
Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Culture and society, additional phrases and values. We must preserve the values of culture and reinforce cultural exchange while avoiding discrimination on the grounds of race or religion. Successful societies are those who be socially acceptable, develop social skills, and value innovative thoughts in every age group.
Feel free to pause and check out the key vocabulary on screen.
Culture and society, idioms in society. In society, we know pride comes before a fall, and we put things down to experience, ready to teach someone a lesson. Truth will out, even if too many cooks spoil the broth. When the cat's away, the mice will play, especially among high society, cafe society, or anybody who is anybody. But true leaders are pillars of society, not the new kid on the block or a big fish in a small pond.